You tell him. You tell him you're going to get him. You tell him. I thought you liked octopus. But if you're going to push him off there, oh, look, down he's going. He's going to go down, down, down. Get that octopus. Are you going to do him in? Get him. Go get him. Yeah, get him. Oh, he's going to go down. Oh, he's going to go down. Oh, you're so strong. You've been practicing for this, haven't you? Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Get him. He says, I don't know. Maybe I don't want him to fall off, then I'll have nothing to look at. Then I won't have anything to look at. Oh, you did so good, Atlas. You did so good. Can you bring him back? You think you can bring him back? Huh? I don't know. I don't know how to do that. Ooh, it's so hard. Oh, yeah. Good job. Good job. Let me straighten out that little bib of yours. Oh my gosh. Oh, almost. You almost got him down. Almost. Get him. Get him. Can you tell him? Tell him how you feel. Tell him how you feel. Okay, I think we've made about as much progress on the octopus down project today as we're gonna make. Okay, say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Atlas. Oh, oh. Atlas. Bye-bye. Oh, oh, so close. So close. So close. Okay, bye-bye for reals this time. Bye-bye.